Okay, my name is Pius Ambo Pius. Yes, I'm the counsel to the petitioner.
Please tell us what happened to this court.
Okay, the tribunal sat today to consider the petition that is presented before it. Earlier, the tribunal has reserved today for a ruling because we have raised an observation with regards to the membership of the tribunal that by the 2026 Electoral Act, there is need to reconstitute the tribunal. But the tribunal have given its ruling today, saying there is no need to do that at the moment, that that will be taken in the course of determination of the petition. So that's the decision that the tribunal is going to proceed with the hearing, regardless of our observation about the membership of the tribunal. Well, we cannot talk about the merit of the petition because that is left for the tribunal to determine. Our duty is to present the evidence before the tribunal and hope that justice will be done.